Hey, little artist! Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a cute little scene with a house, a big tree, a bright sun, and fluffy clouds.
Yay!
Are you ready to get creative? Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. First, we'll start with the roof of our house. Draw a big triangle shape for the roof, right in the middle of the page. Perfect! Now, underneath the roof, let's draw the main part of the house, a square shape. There's our cozy house. Next, let's add a door so we can go inside. Draw a rectangle in one side of the house. Now, for the windows to let in lots of light. Draw a square with 4 parts on one side of the house. So cute! Now, let's draw a little chimney on top of the roof. Draw a small rectangle sticking up, and we'll add a brick pattern to make it look real. Let's add some bushes behind the house for extra cuteness. Draw small, bumpy shapes like little clouds near the sides of the house. Now, it's time for a big tree beside the house. Draw a tall trunk, and on top, make a big round shape for the leafy part. Our tree is looking so cozy next to the house. And let's not forget the sun. Draw a circle in the sky and add some lines around it to show it shining bright. To make the sky even cuter, let's add some fluffy clouds. Draw bumpy cloud shapes on either side of the sun. Finally, let's add some brick patterns to the chimney and the bottom part of the house wall. Draw small rectangles to make it look like real bricks. Wow, our scene looks amazing. Our drawing is complete. Now, let's go over the lines to make the outline bold and sharp. This will make our artwork really pop on the page. Nice job, everyone!
Yay!
Now, it's time to add some color. We'll use rainbow colors to make our scene super vibrant. Let's go! Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color.
La da 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 dee.
Blue color. Purple color. Brown color. Light brown color. Fantastic job, artists! Our scene is colorful and cute, perfect for a sunny day. Wow, we did it! Our cute house scene with a big tree, sun,